I'm Anil Kumar, and here is another application question on quadratic functions. At a park, a landscaper wishes to plant a uniform border of tulips on the inside of a rectangular garden with dimensions of 12 meters by 18 meters. The whole garden will look the best if the area of the tulip border is half the area of the garden. How wide should the inside of the border of the tulip be to one decimal place? So whenever it is like decimal places, we have to use quadratic formula, right? So let's make a figure here. Let's say that's the garden. And then we'll have a border of tulips. Uniform border, same all sides. So that is the border, right? So that's the tulips. Okay. Correct. Dimensions are 12 by 18. So we can write 12 here and 18. If I take away a square x by x, I mean this is x, in that case, what is the inside dimension? This will be 18 minus 2x, and that will be 12 minus 2x, correct? So 12 minus 2x is this dimension, and 18 minus 2x is the other dimension. The condition given to us is the whole garden will look the best if the area of the tulip border, this whole area, is half the area of the garden, total garden, right? So area of tulip area is how much? Tulip area is outside area, which is 18 times 12, take away inside area, which is 18 minus 2x times 12 minus 2x. And that should be equal to half the area of the garden. That should be equal to half the area of 18 times 12. 18 times 12. So that becomes your equation to solve, right? So let's bring all the terms together and solve. So on this side, we have 9 times 12. We can use calculator. Okay. Let's do it. So 18 times 12 is equal to 216. Let's rewrite. 216 minus, okay, 18 times 12 is 216 again. Okay, 18 times minus 2x is minus 36x. 2x times 12 minus 24x. Minus 2x means plus 4x square is equal to half of this. 9 times 12, 108. Correct? Now we can bring all these terms to the right side and then solve. So we have 108. So let's say 0 equals to 108 minus 216 plus all this, which is 216. Then we have minus 36 minus 24x plus 4x square. Let's rearrange. So we have 0 equals to 4x square, x terms. So we have 36x. We have these two as x terms, which will give us minus of 60x, and this cancel out. And what we have is 108, so plus 108. We could all divide them all by 4, so we could write this as 4 times x square minus 4 times 1, 15x, plus 4 times 2 is 8, 28 is 7. So that's what you get, right? So we get x squared minus 15x plus 27. Now to find the value of x, you could use quadratic formula, which is, let's rewrite on the right side and then we'll calculate, okay? So we could write x as equal to minus of b, which is 15, plus minus square root of 15 square minus 4 times. A is 1, c is 27, divided by 2. So that gives us, let's recalculate, right? So within square root, we have 15 square minus 4 times 27. This is 3 square root. Let's rewrite as 15 plus minus 3 square root 13 divided by 2. Now we could get two values for x. What is 3 square root 13? Let's see the decimal value. It is 10.81. So minus 3 square root 13 should be a better option. Plus x has a limit. X cannot be more than some number 6, correct? So let's use 15 minus 3 square root 13 divided by 2. So that is the decimal value. So we'll do 15 minus 3 square root 13, which is equal to some number, divided by 2 is equal to, in decimals, it is equals to 2.09, approximately 2.1. Is it okay? So that is the value of x. Now it says, how wide should the inside of the border of tulip be? So this width should be, which is x, is 2.1, correct? So our answer is the border is 2.1 meters. Okay, so it is actually 2.1 meter by 2.1 meter. It's a uniform border. So that is how you could actually solve such a question. I hope the steps are clear. Go through them once again. Feel free to post your questions and suggestions. Right? This is border. Thank you.